Hey Tech fam, GadInsider here with big news. The Honor Pad X7 just dropped, packing an 8.7-inch display, a massive battery, and Android 15, all for a steal. Let's dive in. A slim tablet with a 7020 mAh battery and smooth 90Hz visuals for under $120. This could be your perfect study or streaming buddy. Want the full scoop? Keep watching. Honor quietly launched the Pad X7 in Saudi Arabia on July 25, 2025, and it's a budget beast. Priced at Saudi Riyal 449, about $119, this tablet is built for students, families, and casual users. It's got an 8.7-inch TFT LCD with 1340 by 800 resolution, a 90Hz refresh rate, and 625 nits brightness, perfect for Netflix or e-reading under sunlight. With an 85% screen-to-body ratio and TUV Rhineland certifications for low blue light and flicker-free viewing, it's easy on the eyes. Under the hood, the Snapdragon 680 chipset with up to 6GB RAM and 128GB storage, expandable via microSD, delivers solid performance, scoring around 310K on Antutu V10. Great for browsing and light gaming. The 7020 mAh battery lasts up to 56 days on standby and supports 10-watt wired plus reverse charging to juice up your phone. Cameras: an 8-megapixel rear with autofocus for 1080p video and a 5-megapixel front for video calls. Good enough for Zoom or scanning documents. Running Android 15 with Magic OS 9, it's got AI perks like Circle to Search and Google Kids Space for family use. At 7.99mm thick and 365 gram with a metal back, it's sleek yet tough, passing 42 durability tests like drop and steel ball impacts. The Honor Pad X7 brings premium features, long battery life, smooth display, and Android 15 for a budget price. It's a game changer for students or anyone wanting a portable, durable tablet without breaking the bank. This could shake up the budget tablet market. Ready to grab the Pad X7? Drop a comment. Perfect for studying or streaming? Smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell for more tech scoops.